In this video, we are going to learn about making the smallest and the largest number from a given set of digits and shifting of digits in a number. Let us understand it with the help of an example. It is your birthday and your parents have gifted you a tab for helping you in your studies, which needs a passcode. Now you need to set a passcode of 4 digits using the digits 0 to 9. You think of putting 1 at the hundreds place. What is the smallest number without repetition that can be formed in such a case? Let us start the problem by fixing the hundreds digit as 1. Now can you think of the digit we should put in the thousands place to make the smallest number? Can it be 0? Well, as you can see, if we put a 0 in the thousands place, we get a 3-digit number and not a 4-digit number. So, we cannot put a 0 in the thousands place. As we have already used 1 in the hundreds place and the repetition of the digits is not allowed, so we put a 2 in the thousands place. Now can you think what must be put in the tens and the ones place to make the smallest 4-digit number? Yes, we would put the smallest digit 0 in the tens place. As we have already used 0, 1 and 2, so we put 3 in the ones place to get the smallest number. Thus, the passcode is 2103. Now, what would be the passcode if the digit at the hundreds place is interchanged with the digit at the tens place and the digit at the thousands place is interchanged with the digit at the ones place? So, 1 is interchanged with 0 and 2 is interchanged with 3. Hence, the new passcode is 3012. Today, we have learned making the greatest and the smallest numbers when certain conditions are given and about shifting digits in a number. Now, there is a question. Can you think of the greatest passcode if 1 is at the hundreds place and the digits are not repeated? Yes, learners, we get the answer by arranging the digits in descending order, and the passcode in this case is 9187. Learners, have you ever wondered that what is the smallest 5-digit number? Do not worry. We are going to learn about 5-digit numbers and their expansion in our next video. Till then, take care.